So we all have heard that time is money, but honestly, time is more precious than money. Because
All the money in the world can together cannot buy a single second for you.
We does not waste our time on useless activities.
You can never learn this. भैया मछली को यदि पकड़ना है ना तो हमें समुद्र में निकलना पड़ेगा. Don't worry, right? When you speak, right? While speaking, you have to use lots of things like hand gestures, eye contact, right? But अभी हम लोग सीख रहे हैं, ठीक? तो थोड़ा बहुत यूज करने की कोशिश करेंगे. अभी हमारा इनिशियल फेज है, राइट? जब अच्छे से कंटेंट को डिलीवर करने आ जाएगा, राइट? तब हम लोग इसका यूज कर सकते हैं. Are you getting enough? Hello, everybody. Hello. So now show the public that you can be the best speaker in the future. Show the public.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aditya Raj. I am here to present my speech on time. Time is very precious thing in our life. It only gives one chance for doing anything. It does when a person waste its chance, the time does not give any more chance to him. We must care about time, because when we care about time, time also care about him and makes our life success. We does not waste our time on useless activities. We use our precious time on activities that help us to get success. Thank you everyone for listening.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aman Kumar, and I am here to present a speech on money. You all must have used money to buy things such as houses, cars, or necessary things. You should know about a man named Iron Man. In Avengers Endgame, he said one line to his dad: "All the money in the world can together cannot buy a single second for you."
Oh my God!
As you know, money can buy you bed but not sleep. It can buy you medicine but not health. It can buy you expensive things but not satisfaction. Thank you for listening to me.
Good morning, everyone. I am Rinjim. I am here to tell something on the topic the importance of the time. First of all, I would like to thank my Inspector Ranjan sir for giving me an opportunity to speak here. Let's start. Time is the most precious thing in our life. It is very important for everyone. Time helps us to study well, do our work on time, and once time lost, it never come back again. Students who use their time wisely always do better in their life. We should not waste our time on laziness and useless activities. Thank you for listening.
दुनिया में तो बहुत से लोग दिखे, लेकिन आप जैसे अमेजिंग स्टूडेंट्स नहीं दिखे, क्योंकि आपके पास वो कैपेबिलिटी है, वो पावर है जो दुनिया को चेंज कर सकते हैं. या ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबॉडी. सो आई वुड लाइक टू वेलकम मिस तन्नु. एवरीबॉडी प्लीज वेलकम हर.
Hello everyone, this is Tanupriya and I am here to talk about a very important topic, which is the importance of time. So we all have heard that time is money, but honestly, time is more precious than money. Because if we lose our money, we can bring it back by using our time. But if we even lose 1 second of our life, it can never be brought back. As students, we all waste our times on activities we shouldn't have done. And this is because most of us don't even know how to manage our time. Managing time doesn't mean to study all the day, but to give our hobbies time too. And managing time is important because it helps us learn discipline. And to end my presentation, once I heard a quote, it says that time flies, but the good thing is that you're the pilot. Thanks a lot.
Very nice. Tannu, I think you are able to deliver your thought, right? And I think that you can speak very well. One thing you have to do, and that is try to use modulation your voice, right? So today I'm going to tell you something important. Do you know? Do you know the time? Yeah, of course, everybody. Time is very precious in this world. You know, थोड़ा सा वॉइस को थोड़ा सा इस तरह से मतलब ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि हम बात कर रहे हैं लोगों से, राइट? कि हम पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का मतलब है, नाम ही है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, राइट? हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग इट? That means you have to speak before the public, but it is the difficult task, and you can also say toughest task in this world to speak in front of the public. It is very difficult, right? And you are doing this. That means you are facing this challenge. You are challenging this, right? So
Good morning, everyone. I am Neha.
listen. Good morning, everyone. वहाँ तक आवाज आ रही है. Good morning, everyone. कोई नहीं सुनेगा. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm here to speak like this, right? Speak.
Good morning, everyone. I am here. Today, I am here to speak the most important topic: importance of time. Time is the things we cannot buy, but we can use
In the
it.
public, yeah, of course.
Use it. A clock. It does not stop. It does not stop. It does not wait for us. When we use time very well, we grow faster. We learn more, and we become confident.
Of course we can. And we can do.
A small use of time creates a big success. Uh, Respect time today, and time will respect your tomorrow. Don't waste time. Time is life, and life is once. Thank you a lot for listening.
Hello. Now I would like to invite Mr. Arush, please. Arush, oh my God. You know, everybody, come on. He's it. He can be my bodyguard, right? Like this. Of course. Arush, show the public that you can do everything, right?
Good morning to all of you.
Look at the public, right? Start. Start.
Good morning to all of you. I am here to tell you about the topic time. Before getting to the topic, I want to introduce myself. Arushaj. I am from class 7. As we know that time is the most precious thing in our life, because if it goes once, it cannot be returned, and it is more value than money, because money can be earn again, but time cannot. Every second is an opportunity to improve ourselves, and time is also used for study. But remember, study not matter in everywhere. Developing skills is also where, and a successful person respect time, and time also respect them. And always remember that time is never a stay for anyone. Thank you for listening.
Lil, come on. Aisha, come here. Come here and try to speak. Speak aloud. Show that public. Show the public.
Good morning, everyone, respected dear Ranjan sir and my dear classmates. I am Aisha, and today I am present here to deliver a speech on importance of time. Have you ever thought about what is the most powerful thing in this world? It is not money, it is time. You see, if you lose all your money today, you can work hard and earn it back tomorrow. But if you waste this very second, no power on earth can bring it back. Time is not a clock, it is an unforgiving river. It does not care who you are, a topper or a failure. It just keeps flowing, and once a moment passes, it is gone forever. The biggest mistake we make as a student is thinking that I will do it tomorrow, but always remember tomorrow never arrives. The only difference between a leader and a dreamer is that a leader don't wait for tomorrow. They act today. If you respect time, time will make you successful. If you waste it, you get left behind. In conclusion, I want to say that we should respect time and use every moment to build a better future. It means that if you respect time today, then time will respect you tomorrow. The choice is yours. Before ending my speech here, I would like to thank you, dear Ranjan sir, because he always motivates us and helps us to do our best. We are lucky to have a teacher like him. Thank you.
Oh my God, you made my day today. Hello. So, everybody, just be cooperative. Man. You know, before teaching, I will teach you differently. Yeah, of course.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Ranjan sir and my dear classmate. I am Supriya, and I am here to deliver a speech on time. Time. What is time? Time is the most powerful things in the world. No things.
मम्मी कोई बात नहीं फिर से स्टार्ट करो हेलो एवरीबॉडी लिसन
Good morning, everyone. Respected Ranjan sir and my dear classmate. I am Supriya and I am here to deliver a speech on time. Have you ever thought what is the most powerful things in the world? It is not money, it is time. If you lost your all money, you can work hard and earn it again. But if you waste your time, it's never come back. Time is very precious things. We should use time wisely. Students must value time. Time helps us achieve our goals. So times are very important in our lives. Thank you lot. Thanks for lot. Thanks
Thank you for
lot.
listening to me. कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं ना राइट नहीं करने से बेहतर है कोशिश करना समझे या नहीं समझे एवरीबॉडी कम ऑन हेलो लिसन इफ यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू स्विम you can learn but going into the water and by practicing if you want to learn how to ride a bicycle then you have to go with your bicycle to practice right and if you are thinking only that I want to learn swimming I want to learn how to swim I want to learn how to ride a bicycle but if you do not practice for it, if you do not go for it, that means you cannot learn this. You can never learn this. You can never learn this. भैया मछली को यदि पकड़ना है ना तो हमें समुद्र में निकलना पड़ेगा समुद्र में उतरना पड़ेगा तभी जाके मछली को पकड़ सकते हैं Come on everybody hello so यदि हम बोलना चाहते हैं लोगों के सामने यदि हम अच्छा बनना चाहते हैं अच्छा स्पीकर बनना चाहते हैं फर्स्ट we have to speak aloud we have to speak like a pro we have to practice and we have to try you know नहीं करने से बेहतर है कोशिश करना नहीं करने से बेहतर है कोशिश करना you know
Good morning, all of you. Today I am here to present to talk about importance of time. Time is a time. Good morning, all of you. My name is Rupanti Kumari. Discuss about importance of time. Time is the most important our life.
okay, look at the public.
Once of the most variable once time is lost it can never be bought
course,
back.
not never back.
It is
Very nice.
because time teaches us disciplines and help achieve your goals. Thank you for listening.
Good morning, everyone. I am Anisha Kumari. I read in class 7. Today I will speak about the importance of time. Time is a very, very important of our life. Time is will be money, not money. It is a process of time.